say football is a game of inches. In abrasive blasting, it's a game of millimeters. And an increase of 1.58 millimeters result in millions of dollars each year in wasted profit. Nearly every single industrial blasting contractor is losing tens of thousands in this millimeter game. Let me explain. At the heart of every blasting operation is the nozzle's orifice, a precision-engineered opening that controls the velocity, pressure, and efficiency of the entire system. This tiny but powerful component is designed to channel air-fed abrasive at maximum speed. But here's the catch. Even the slightest expansion of the orifice, by mere millimeters, can cripple performance. As the nozzle wears, air velocity drops, abrasive flow skyrockets, and efficiency plummets. And the worst part? This profit-draining problem is happening on nearly every job site, often without anyone noticing. If you're serious about maximizing efficiency and keeping more money in your pocket, stick with us. A few minutes of your time will save you thousands.